High plank pose, horizontal squat drive to knee reaching. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell to get notification for every video we upload. And please watch the video to the end without missing my instruction to tell you how to use this exercise for your training. This exercise will work for your shoulders, triceps, core, lower back, and your legs. If you're doing this fast, will help you burn fat more easily. So, stay focused. Let's get started. Get into a high plank position, making sure to distribute your weight evenly between your hands and your toes. Check your form. Your hands should be about shoulder width apart, back flat, abs engaged, and head in alignment. For easy you to moving, keep your both legs open. Now take inhale, following by exhale, push yourself and move your body to back. Keep your palm and shoulder in the straight line, keep your head with your shoulder. You are now on horizontal squat position. You are feeling your shoulder and legs now. Hold this position for stabilize your body. For beginner, you can let your knee down. This is starting point. With this position, take inhale again, following by exhale, drive your body and left knee towards for reaching your left hand slightly. Don't use too much energy for your knee. Hold this position for a second, keep your core engaged. We haven't done yet. Once your knee touching your left hand, now go to right hand by the same time without toe touching the floor. You can feel your core are tight now. After your left knee reaching both hands, bring your left knee back to the plank position, push yourself and move your body to back. Remember, this is starting point and this is 1 rep. Now do the same thing with your right knee and repeat for as many repetitions as you have selected. This exercise is good for core and cardio training if you do it fast. When you're focused on the move, you might find yourself holding your breath. Please, remember how to breathe. My workout routine for this exercise is 20 reps by 10 set and rest 10 to 20 seconds between sets. How about you? Alright, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please tap the like button, leave the comment below, share our channel to your friend. We need more subscriber to grow our channel. Thanks.